Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Metric standard create, select plane. The base dimension is 120 by 80, thickness is 12 Select center rectangle, give the dimension 80, press tab 120. Finish sketch, select extrude, give the thickness 12 Next you can see there is a one cylindrical part, diameter is 48 and 24, length is 42 height is from the base 85 Select surface, sketch, select circle, (42), 48 and 24. This is 24. Change this 48. So length we required 85 Select midpoint of the circle, select origin midpoint, give the vertical constraint. Sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction 42 Okay. Next there is one plate to connect both the parts. Select same surface, sketch, select line, for line we can press L, shortcut, select tangent, give the tangent constraint, select extend, finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 9 thickness is 9 Next there is one rib, thickness is 9 For that select mid plane, sketch, select line, finish sketch, select rib, thickness we want 9 Okay. Next you can see there is a one flange top side, dimensions is 25 and height is 45, I think 45 from the whole center. For that select one plane, or select mid plane. Select the plane, sketch, select line, give the dimensions 25 mm width, height is 45 mm from circle center. This is 25. .5 45 mm. Finish sketch, select extrude, select here symmetric, 30 mm. Select top surface, sketch, select 2-point rectangle, three mm cutout is there. This we want 3 mm. Finish sketch, select extrude, select cut. Here we want up to this surface. Apply. Hide this plane, visibility off. Select this surface, sketch, diameter 12 mm, dimension from the top 12, from the side 15. Select point, give the dimension 12 mm, here to here 15. Finish sketch, select hole, simple hole, diameter 12 mm. Next there are two holes, dimensions is diameter 12, from the side both side 24 mm, pitch is 72 mm. Twenty-four, pitch is 72. Select vertical constraint, finish sketch, diameter is 12 mm, select hole, diameter is 12 mm. Next there is one fillet, both edges are 20. Select fillet, give the dimension 20 mm, apply. So you can compare friends, all the features are completed. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment please. And also once more I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video friends. Finally we can assign material here, generic. In generic we can select stainless steel, mild steel. So I will go with mild steel. We can change the polish here, semi polish. So we can give what finish you want. For steel, here you can see machined, machine 2, machine 3, like that is there. You can give. Steel blue. Okay, I will go with steel blue. Also finally save the parts. So thanks for watching this video friends.